Good morning, guys. Today we've got a working bee at our local range. So come with me. We've got to get some diesel. We've got to pick up a few items and then we're going to head out to the range and do some maintenance. See you there. There we are, 56 litres, $131. We saved $6.83. So that's been my 5-hour day, and that's a short snippet of everything I've done. Didn't look like much, but my body can feel it. I'm very sore, I'm very tired, and I think I'm going to have a shower and rest up for the night.